The news day continues here on One News Now. I'm Riza Diaz. Residents in Tondo, Manila openly disregarded health protocols and warnings against a usage of firecrackers as they celebrate the new year. Gary De Leon has the report.
Pandemic Who? Residents happily welcomed the New Year in Tondo, Manila by holding street parties with some even using illegal firecrackers. At Road 10 and C2, most people did not to wear masks, especially children. There are also people drinking in the streets. The Manila LGU strictly prohibits using firecrackers and TOTOO as noisemakers, while street parties are also not allowed. Barangay official says their effort to stop people from partaking the parties were in vain.
Talagang makukulit talaga. Hindi talaga namin kaya. Kaya lang ang inano dahil bagong taon, medyo konting luwag tayo, konting luwag lang po.
Policemen were also seen going back and forth in the area following complaints of firecrackers use. But residents seems not to care. Fire truck also circled the area, reminding people about the perils of firecrackers. Meanwhile, in another street, some residents took it up themselves to give some food packs to their neighbors. They also say they hope all goes back to normal soon.
Wish ko lang na matapos na yung pandemic, para maging okay na lahat.
After the celebration had died down, 4 minors were rushed to the hospital in Tondo due to minor injuries caused by firecrackers. Reporting for News 5, Gary De Leon. We are One News.
15 houses were consumed by fire in Caloocan City during New Year. 3 persons, including a baby, died from the blaze. Gary De Leon returns with a story.
Residents of Malonzo Compound in 4th Avenue, Caloocan City woke up to a fire at around 4 a.m. this morning. A wooden wagon beside the house caught fire which spread to nearby homes that are made of light materials. 15 houses were affected by the blaze. Authorities were able to put up the fire in 30 minutes. However, 3 persons were missing after the incident.
Yung lumang karito na hindi nila ginagamit na panghanap buhay, may lona po yun yung pinakambubong. Doon daw po nagsimula hanggang sa pumasok na sa bahay. Dahil maliit lang naman yung kwarto nila, ginising lang daw siya ng aso nila, tapos lumabas na siya noon. Kinalampag niya naman yung mga kasamahan niya.
After searching, the firemen located the missing person under a collapsed rooftop, but they were found dead. The couple, Yusuf Hernandez and Ashi Robil, along with their 5-month-old baby, perished from the fire.
Ginising ako ng asawa ko, sabi niya may narinig siya sumigaw, sunog. So sinilip namin sa pintuan. Ayun na nga, pagsilip ko, ang laki na ng apoy.
The owner of the house said that she was puzzled as to why the victim were not able to escape when the fire broke out.
Ang alam ko, lumabas na sila. Hindi niya daw alam na sa CR nagpunta.
Authorities continue to investigate if firecrackers from New Year's Eve caused the fire. The Bureau of Fire Protection has so far recorded 7 fire incidents due to firecrackers nationwide from December 28 to 31. Reporting for News 5, I'm Gary De Leon. We are One News.
Meanwhile, Assistant City Prosecutor Edilberto Mendoza was shot dead right outside his home in Trece Martires, Cavite at around 7:30 yesterday morning. The killing was caught on camera with an assailant shooting Mendoza in the head 3 times at close range while he was doing his regular morning exercise. After this, the killer fled on foot. Cavite police says Mendoza died instantly. Now, authorities add that they are already conducting an operation for the identification and arrest of the suspects. We'll be back with more stories after the break. Keep it here on One News. You're still watching One News Now. I'm Riza Diaz. An infectious disease expert says that a decrease in COVID-19 cases after the holidays will be hard to predict. In an interview with the Big Story, Hospital Infection Prevention Control Chairman Dr. Ray Salinel Jr. said that the decline in infections cannot be seen anytime soon as people continue to move around. Salinel also noted that the cases are increasing at a fast rate as seen in the rise of COVID patients in hospitals.
Yung COVID positive patients po ay, o COVID number po ay nagpa-positive po, mataas po, dumadami, pero hindi pa rin po natin alam po ilan ba dito yung Omicron. No, kasi nga po it will take time bago natin po malaman through genetic sequencing kung Omicron nga ba itong mga positive cases pong ito. Kaya kaya sinasabi natin po, please lang po kung maaari lang, iwasan po muna natin po yung matataong lugar, yung pong mga communities pong napaka-congested para po maiwasan po natin ang pagkalat po ng cases na ito.
Salinel added that more hospital personnel are also testing positive for COVID-19. With the uptick in cases, he is urging the public to just stay at home and avoid crowded places.
No, sa ngayon po yung mga cases po namin ay medyo hindi pa naman po ganun na masyado pong tumataas. But then we noticed that yung hospital personnel po na exposed sa pasyente po ang tumataas. Yun ang reason siguro kung bakit nag-anunsyo na po ng alert level 3 ang ating pong gobyerno para po mapigilan na po once and for all yung po mobility ng mga tao po. Dahil nga po napansin na nga po nila, no?
For NITAG member Dr. Maria Consorcia Lim Quizon, people should start masking up at home to prevent spreading COVID-19 to family members. Speaking on 1PH sa Totoo Lang, Lim Quizon said since no one can really be sure if they are exposed to the virus, people should mask up at home to prevent infections. She also urged people to continue following other protocols or health protocols such as social distancing and frequent hand washing.
Para sa akin, lalo't papasok sa bahay mo yung kahit na mahal mo sa buhay, di mo alam kung saan siya na-expose, mag-mask muna tayo at keep on hand washing.
Dr. Lim Quizon also said she thinks possible super spreader events such as the Feast of the Black Nazarene should be canceled for now, especially given the high transmissibility of the Omicron variant.
Yung Black Nazarene sa January, parang wag na muna nating isipin yun. Talagang unthinkable na gusto mo pa bang ituloy yun. Kasi itong Omicron is a super spreader to begin with.
Meanwhile, hundreds have gathered to celebrate the New Year in Madrid, Spain, despite concerns over the recent surge in cases. Let's watch this.
Siguiendo las medidas de protección y de salud que nos marca el Estado, pues la verdad es que sí que podemos disfrutar de esta noche vieja y bueno, qué mejor que con una buena compañía para celebrarlo.
Para un 2022 con mucho más ánimo y que vayan saliendo mejor las cosas, que no perdamos nunca la esperanza. ¡Feliz año!
Los drones, entre otros servicios que tenemos, otros medios que tenemos, nos van a permitir salvaguardar la posibilidad de que el aforo no se supere, que no se va a superar, que podamos controlar la distancia interpersonal entre las personas y, por supuesto, que se mantenga la mascarilla.
And those are the top stories of the hour. Join us later again at 12 noon as we continue to monitor the day's biggest stories. You can also catch One News on Signal Play app. Register for a free account now at www.signalplay.com and stream One News live anytime, anywhere. I'm Riza Diaz. Mask on, wash hands, and stay safe, Philippines. We are One News.